Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on utilities with PG&E beginner guide step by step clearly. To save on utilities with PG&E, start by reviewing your energy usage. Access your PG&E account online to check your monthly statements. Identify peak usage times in your home to better understand when you're consuming the most energy. Consider enrolling in PG&E's time of use plan if you use more energy during off-peak hours. This plan allows you to save by using energy when rates are lower. Insulate your home to reduce heating and cooling costs. Check for drafts around doors and windows, and seal them with weather stripping. Upgrade to energy-efficient appliances, which consume less electricity. Look for the Energy Star label when shopping for new appliances. Install LED light bulbs, as they use less energy and last longer than traditional bulbs. Set your thermostat to a comfortable yet energy-saving temperature. Try to reduce heating or cooling when you're not at home. Consider utilizing fans for cooling, as they use less energy than air conditioning. Unplug electronics when they are not in use, as many devices draw power even when turned off. Set up a reminder to check your usage monthly to track your savings. Research available rebates and programs that PG&E offers for energy-efficient upgrades. Participate in PG&E's energy-saving programs to gain additional tips and incentives. Consider scheduling a free home energy assessment provided by PG&E. This assessment will highlight where you can save and offer customized recommendations. If you have a bill that seems higher than usual, reach out to PG&E for clarification. Stay informed about any changes in rates or available programs through PG&E's communication channels. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your utility costs with PG&E. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.